Today I'm going on a walk in the forest. But guess what? This is not just any walk. I will see 4 seasons: summer, fall, winter, and spring. We'll meet animals, see the trees change, and even sing a fun song. Come with me. It's going to be so much fun. Let's learn the seasons of the year together. Are you ready? Let's go! Oh, look! It's warm and sunny. The birds are singing and the sky is blue. It must be summer.
Summer, summer, sunny and bright. The days are long and the sun shines light. Butterflies flutter, bees buzz too. Birds fly high in the sky so blue. Let's pick berries and run in the sun. In the summer we have so much fun.
Now the leaves are turning orange, yellow, and red. They fall from the trees. It's autumn, also called fall.
Autumn, autumn, leaves go down, falling softly to the ground. Squirrels gather nuts, getting ready to hide. They'll stay warm with food inside. Crunchy leaves and windy days, autumn